A machine can write a joke the way you would write it. It reaches for the word you'd reach for. It does all of it now. It writes in your voice. And it didn't dream a bit of it up. Every scrap of it was handed over, deliberately, by hand, piece by piece, by people who'd swear they did no such thing. So how does a machine learn to sound exactly like you? The honest answer is a little embarrassing. Everything people have ever typed got swept into one heap. Forum posts, recipes, arguments at 2 a.m. Your 2014 comment is in there somewhere, mortifying and immortal. The machine read all of it, not to memorize facts, it barely keeps those. It was after a habit, what we tend to say next. Give it half a sentence and it finishes the other half, the way most people would. It read all of us and took the average. That's the whole engine. A giant guess-the-next-word machine built out of our writing. Tiny trick. Unspeakable pile. Average everyone and you get mush. A damp committee and a chatbot. Polite nobody. Helpful no one. So why does it ever sound sharp? Because people graded it. Humans sat with two answers, A or B, which is better, and chose thousands of times. Warmer tone, clearer help, less nonsense. It soaked up their preferences. The manners got rated into it. So did the taste. That warmth you feel when it talks, nobody coded it. Somebody picked it, by hand, over and over. Here's the embarrassing part. The graders weren't all in some lab. You were one of them. Remember Select All the Buses? That was never really about security. You were labeling images for a machine learning to see. Every photo you captioned was a tag. Every thumbs up on an answer was a vote. Every time you regenerated an image until it finally looked right, that was you grading homework. Keep the good, bin the bad. No badge, no paycheck, millions of tiny corrections. Donated without a receipt. You trained it on your coffee break. So, is it stealing your spark? Not really. It exposed something quieter and a little humbling. Your voice is mostly patterns you share with millions. The phrase you love, plenty of strangers love it too. Your jokes rhyme with jokes you've never heard. That's the only reason a pattern machine can slip your voice on like a coat. The coat was never only yours. It's the same trick as your own nose. Always right there, so you stopped smelling it years ago. The thing you were sure was singular turns out to be a shared default. So how does a machine sound like you? It averages everyone who ever wrote a word. That covers most of you, the shared secondhand parts. But the pile has a hole in it. It can't hold the you of right now. The strange little thought you had this morning, the thing only you clocked on the walk over. The sentence you haven't said yet. None of that ever made it into the data. The machine replays the past of all of us, perfectly. The part of you that was never in the training set is the only part that's still stubbornly yours.